Everyone wants to be beautiful. Who wouldn't want to be flawless and confident like the famous celebrities in the movies and even social media? With the growing demand for beauty and wellness in the region, Cebu Doctors University Hospital opens their Center for Aesthetics and Laser.
1, 2, 3.
People now, aside from wanting to be healthy, they want to look and feel young as well. So this is our launching pad for a wellness center.
The center provides various skincare, body sculpting, plastic and reconstructive services such as plastic surgery, hair removal, tattoo removal, facial sculpting, and eye bag reduction, among others.
This aesthetic center has 4 operating rooms, 2 exclusively for derma with their laser machines, and 2 for the plastic surgeries.
Being the first hospital-based aesthetic center in the Visayas and Mindanao, the Wellness Center has 8 duly certified fellows from the Philippine Dermatologic Society and the Philippine Association of Plastic Reconstructive and Aesthetic Surgeons.
Our doctors, we are healers, so we are there to help you decide what's good for you.
Our doctors who are credentialed, who belong to their own different societies, like dermatology, plastic surgery, ophthalmology, they have their own guidelines. And part of the guidelines is the age limit and the exceptions included. We follow that standard, which is also usually recognized internationally. So there will be no biases or there will be no unreasonable or objectionable procedures done to younger patients.
The Center for Aesthetics and Laser is just the beginning, as the Cebu Doctors Group aims to develop a wellness complex that will soon house other services such as preventive and dental health care.
Our vision will remain a vision until we change the I in illness and replace it with we to make a wellness complex.
The Center for Aesthetics and Laser ensures that they aim not to alter a person's features, but to enhance or bring back the beauty of what is already there, to improve a person's self-confidence and well-being. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Rayed Guzman.